Hey YouTube, what's up? Today I'm gonna do a fart putty review. These are what I'm working with. I got both of them from the Dollar Tree. So here we go. The first one is called Flarp Noise Putty. Ooh, I gotta unwrap this before I fart with it. The second is called Noise Putty. Both of them I got at the Dollar Tree. So they were very in my budget to purchase. And I'm very excited to do some farting with them. So first things first, we're gonna use the Noise Putty. So I would say that okay. Well, it does emit some pretty good farts from it, but we'll see how the flarp fares in comparison. So I got blue because blue is my favorite color. So this one, I'd say it has a pretty consistent fart to it. Every time you go in, it has a nice fart release. Whereas, okay, that one didn't fart that time. But whereas with the Noise Putty, it doesn't fart all the time, which is an issue if you need that instant gratification of farting. So we'll try this one again. So this one, okay, I didn't fart really that time, but I'd say that this one, okay, when it does fart, it does have a nice release, whereas the fart putty is kind of disappointing a little bit. But the disappointment with this one is that it doesn't fart every time. But when it does fart, it's very pleasing to the ear, whereas with the fart putty, not so much. So we'll put this one back in. Oh, that was a good one, I'd say. We'll put this one back in. And then the flarp, let's do it again. That was a good one. That was alright. That was disappointing. That sucked. Okay, so I would say in comparison of the two, I'd say it was a tie. So with the fart, with the Noise Putty, it had a good fart every time. With the flarp, not so much. I don't really know how to rate it. So I'd say leave what you think down below. I'd say buy your own Noise Putty and flarp Noise Putty in comparison and try the two out and see how you like it. Because it's about a tie for me. Anyways, like, comment, and subscribe if you like it. Thanks. Bye.